So you have been watching a lot of bench press form video. You think this is your year to finally kill your goals. You have been trying to sculpt a perfect chest you have been wanting for a long time. But the problem is that you're either stuck working out from your home with your barbell and some free weights, or you are now a happily proud owner of a home gym but you don't have a bench to train your chest. So, gentlemen, welcome back to Men with Class. If this is also your current home gym situation, then this video is perfect for you. You came at the right place at the right time. In this video, I will be showing you how to incline, decline and flat bench even if you don't own one. When all you have are some free weights to train with, it's time to go old school. Back before bench were introduced in weightlifting, athletes used to train the press this way, what we call today a floor press. This is a great exercise to build explosiveness in your triceps and also train the concentric part of the lift. This is also a great exercise if you have a shoulder injury or are just looking to avoid any. If you have some good core strength, you can perform the exercise in this way, which will act as a decline bench press, targeting your pectoral muscle from a different angle which will hit the lower pecs more. This exercise is perfectly safe for you, and you can simply lower the barbell as you would in a hip thrust and put it down on the floor. The way to perform this exercise is similar to the bench press. First, retract the scapula and then make an arc in your lower back to put the shoulders in a safe position. Then all you have to do is hip thrust the barbell into the press position, and while maintaining the traction of the scapula, you have to perform the lift as you normally would in a bench press. One more benefit of this lift over the bench press is that it gives a wider base to push from, which is great for your strength and shoulder health. You won't be having this problem of barbell not sliding over your body smoothly if you have bigger plates. Coming to the next exercise, we have with us an incline bench press substitute. This exercise is called a reverse hand bench press. This hits 35% more muscle fibers of the upper chest as opposed to the 5% in the incline bench press. This exercise is also great for your shoulders as it puts them in an externally rotated position. Many elites even claim that this exercise is better than the incline bench press. The key movement of this exercise is similar to the floor press. All you have to do is just hold a barbell in a supinated position as you would in a bicep curl. This will put the shoulders in an external rotated position. The last exercise in this list is a decline floor press. The exercise is similar to the floor press with a minor change that once you hip thrust the weight up, you have to maintain that position to hit your lower chest fibers some more. I hope this video was informative for you. If it was, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.